All right, woodworking warriors, are you ready to elevate your woodworking game? Today, we're unveiling the top 20 essential power tools every woodworker should own. We're talking about the heavy hitters, the game changers, the tools that'll take your projects from meh to mind-blowing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, having the right tools can make all the difference. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the mighty table saw, the king of the woodworking jungle, the workhorse of any shop. It's your go-to for laser straight cuts, ripping or cross-cutting. And there's something satisfying about that saw blade singing. But seriously, safety first. Always use safety guards and push sticks. Your fingers will thank you. Next up, we've got the miter saw, the master of angles. It's perfect for precise angled cuts in projects like picture frames and crown molding. Safety is key. Always clamp your workpiece and keep fingers clear. You don't want to be part of a woodworking horror story. Now, let's talk about the different types of miter saws. Let's talk about the router, the woodworking Swiss Army knife. It hollows out areas, creates joints, adds decorative edges, you name it. It's like a magician, pulling woodworking rabbits out of a hat. But there's a learning curve. Start simple, get comfortable with the bits and accessories, and soon you'll be routing like a pro. Chapter 4. All right, let's talk about the jointer, the tool that's all about precision and flatness. Imagine this. You're building a beautiful tabletop, but your boards are slightly warped or cupped. Not ideal, right? That's where the jointer swoops in to save the day. It creates a perfectly flat surface on your boards, ensuring they fit together seamlessly. Trust me, a jointer is a game changer for any serious woodworker. Chapter 5. Next up, we've got the planer, the tool that's obsessed with thickness. Think of it like this. The jointer makes one face of your board perfectly flat, and then the planer comes in and makes the opposite face perfectly parallel to the first. The result? A board with a uniform thickness across its entire surface. This is crucial for things like tabletops, doors, or anything where you need a consistent thickness. Chapter 6. All right, let's talk about the bandsaw, the tool that's a master of curves. This bad boy uses a thin, continuous blade that loops around two wheels, allowing you to make smooth, curved cuts with ease. It's perfect for intricate shapes and curved furniture parts. But remember, safety first. Always use the blade guard. Chapter 7. Random Orbital Sander, the smooth operator. Next up, we've got the Random Orbital Sander, the tool that's all about achieving that silky smooth finish. Unlike other sanders that move in a straight line, the Random Orbital Sander moves in a, random orbital pattern. This prevents those pesky swirl marks that can ruin your project's finish. Trust me, once you go random orbital, you'll never go back. Chapter 8. Circular Saw, the portable powerhouse. Let's talk about the circular saw, the portable powerhouse of woodworking. Perfect for straight cuts on large boards, especially without a table saw. Great for breaking down larger pieces into manageable sizes. Safety first with any power tool. Secure your workpiece and use a straight edge guide for accurate cuts. Chapter 9. Jigsaw, the detail-oriented dynamo. Let's talk about the jigsaw, the tool for precision and control. Perfect for detailed and curved cuts, especially intricate interior cuts. It's the surgical scalpel of woodworking for delicate cuts. Practice makes perfect. Start simple, then tackle complex designs. Chapter 10. Drill press, the hole-punching hero. Next up, we've got the drill press, the tool that takes drilling to a whole new level. Unlike a handheld drill, the drill press provides unparalleled accuracy and control when drilling holes. It's perfect for drilling perfectly straight holes, especially when you need to drill through thick materials. Plus, you can use it for other tasks like sanding or mortising with the right attachments. Chapter 11. Power Drill, the cordless companion. Now, let's talk about the power drill, the cordless companion that's always there when you need it. This versatile tool is a must-have for any woodworker, perfect for drilling pilot holes, driving screws, and even light-duty drilling tasks. With cordless technology, you can take it anywhere. Title: Impact Driver, the fastening phenom. All right, let's talk about the impact driver, the tool that's all about power and torque. This bad boy is perfect for driving long screws or lag bolts with ease, thanks to its powerful impact mechanism that delivers bursts of rotational force. It's a game changer for tasks like building decks, framing walls, or assembling furniture. Just be careful not to over-tighten your fasteners. Next up, we've got the belt sander, the tool that's not afraid of heavy lifting. Perfect for stripping paint, leveling surfaces, or shaping wood. It's like the bulldozer of sanding, tackling the toughest jobs. Just be careful not to apply too much pressure, as it can leave gouges in your workpiece. Now, let's talk about the oscillating multi-tool, the tool that's like having a whole toolbox in one. This versatile tool can sand, cut, grind, and more, thanks to its wide range of attachments. It's perfect for those awkward jobs where other tools can't reach, like cutting trim flush with a wall or sanding in tight corners. Once you experience its versatility, you'll wonder how you lived without one. All right, let's talk about the scroll saw, the tool that's all about intricate cuts and delicate designs. This bad boy is perfect for creating intricate scroll work, delicate inlays, or even cutting out puzzle pieces. It's like the jeweler's saw of the woodworking world, allowing you to make those incredibly precise cuts with ease. Just be patient and take your time, as rushing a scroll saw project can lead to broken blades and frustration. Lathe, the roundabout revolution. The lathe turns wood into beautiful, rounded objects. It spins your workpiece on a horizontal axis, letting you shape the wood as it rotates. Perfect for creating bowls, spindles, furniture legs, and other rounded objects. Turning on a lathe can be addictive. The satisfaction of creating a beautiful, symmetrical object is unmatched. Thickness planer, the consistency champion. Let's talk about the thickness planer, the tool for consistent thickness across workpieces. Unlike a standard planer, it removes material in small increments. Perfect for creating boards of uniform thickness, essential for tabletops, shelves, or any project needing consistent thickness. Let's talk about the palm sander, the compact tool perfect for finishing touches. Great for tight spaces and smoothing rough edges, or preparing surfaces for finishing. Achieve a smooth, polished look with ease. Just don't apply too much pressure, as it can quickly remove material. Next up, we've got the biscuit joiner, the tool that's all about creating strong and precise joints. This handy tool cuts slots into the edges of two pieces of wood, allowing you to insert small, oval-shaped biscuits that expand when glued, creating a strong and seamless joint. It's perfect for joining boards edge to edge, like when building tabletops, cabinets, or doors. And the best part? Biscuit joints are incredibly strong and virtually invisible once assembled. And last but not least, we've got the dust collection system, the unsung hero of any woodworking shop. It keeps your workspace clean and your lungs healthy by capturing sawdust at the source. Plus, it makes cleanup a breeze. So there you have it, folks, the top 20 essential power tools every woodworker should own. Equipping your workshop with these tools will enhance your efficiency and project quality. Remember, safety first, and don't be afraid to experiment. Unleash your inner craftsman and create woodworking magic. Which of these tools do you find indispensable? Share your thoughts in the comments below.